Welcome to today's Outlook. Today we will be going over dollar Swiss, dollar CAD and euro pound. Hello, so starting with dollar Swiss, we have come down in the higher time frames and rated this swing point. So this is a swing point in my eyes, a lot of space between it, been in the market for quite a while. So when we come down and take these areas, I look for trading opportunities in the opposite direction. Yes, it seems a bit mad taking trades against this, but let me just show you what I mean by trading swing points. So this really just gives me a bias, and then I go into the lower time frames, my tradable time frames, to try and get involved in some trades. So just going from this swing point, I'm going to mark out a few. So long-term swing point in the market. This one is also long-term swing point. We come up, we get a trading opportunity to the downside. So nice little reversal. I don't look for full reversals, I just look for trading opportunities in the opposite direction. Another swing point. Do we get a trading opportunity in the opposite direction? Yes. Long-term swing low, come down, rated, we get a nice trading opportunity in the opposite direction. We get an initial bounce, we come back down, rate again, another bounce. So two trading opportunities here. We take that low, once we get below, back above, nice trading opportunities again, rated, look for buying opportunities, and so on and so forth. So that's why I like trading these swing points, swing highs and swing lows in the higher time frame. Gives me my bias, and then I can go down into trading time frames and start trading from there. So come up again, nice trading opportunity. Again, I'm just looking for trading opportunities for the week. That gives me my bias, and then take it from there. Swing high, comes up, nice little trading opportunity to the downside. Swing high, comes up, lovely trading opportunity to the downside. Swing low, trading opportunity to the upside. We just smash through that. We don't really get any trading opportunities during that week. We've come down, search for a lower swing though. So that's basically just my thinking behind why I trade swing points. If you just go, it's quite simple to see. I mean, it doesn't mean it's going to work. It just means I have a bias, I have a foundation to base my trades off, and then I go down into the lower time frames, such as H1, and then I'm looking to see what Monday's range is doing from the highest point of Monday's range, and then also to the candles. So that gives me my support and resistance. Let me just colour that in so you can see. So we broke above, nice retest, stop below recent swing low, and we did go higher, but it's come back and struggled a bit. If I want to stay in this trade, I don't want to close a H1 close back below here, and I would be getting out of this trade, as it would probably go a lot lower. But as for now, I'm happy for me to be in a long position as long as we stay above here. With this week's price action, it's probably a little bit trickier and against the norm, but we'll see how we go. Usually walk away from trades when I'm in them, but set alerts and alarms in and around this area, so I'm not sitting watching every candle. So for going forward, dollar Swiss, yeah, just looking for a nice pop higher, but also aware that if it gets below this validation level, cutting the trade. We are also looking at dollar CAD yesterday. A lot of levels on here. I'll just go back out and show you where I'm trading. We have this swing point here. We also have this swing point. Let me change that. So we've come up, took this swing point, we've also took this swing point. So looking for a trade to the downside. You can see on the weekly a little bit clearer. Not much, but still something. So we have a few levels in here. I would like to mark out the bodies of this swing high as well. Should act as nice support and resistance. H1, this is a higher time frame level, and then you can see that this did indeed act as nice support to push it higher. So if we're looking for shorts, ideally you want it below that higher time frame level, and to go short, we have this gap to fill in. Also a gap lower down here, but obviously you're not going to be holding for that unless something crazy happens during the week. I only get in and out during the week. So for this trade, probably looking at Tuesday's low to act as support and resistance, along with this higher time frame level. So any swing highs above here is where I would put my stops. But like I say, it's got a lot to do, and it's probably one for next week. So we'll see how this develops. Not really overly keen to get involved at this stage, and once we start breaking down, then I'll become a little bit more involved and keen. Euro pound was the last thing that we were looking at. Basically looking for a break below Monday's range and break this structure. So we've been trending higher. Nice little reaction here, but basically looking for a breakdown, and we didn't really get it last week either. We just got Monday's range and we sort of just stayed inside that. I'm guessing that we're going to do the exact same. Monday's range, break outside, break back inside, come down, and just sort of consolidate. We'll see what goes on. Higher time frame levels on the monthly are just support and resistance. There's no swing points. This resistance here and a little bit of support and resistance through here. We've come up, tagged that level, so that gave me my bias, and trying to get involved short, but we're still pretty bullish market structure. So it, along with dollar CAD, has nothing setting up for us yet. Dollar yen's quite interesting. If we go out to the weekly, we have this level, just from the lowest point to the bodies of the candle. Let me just colour it in so you can see it a little clearer. So we have resistance over here. A little bit of resistance here. Support, support, support. We've come down, raided all these lows. Coming up and retesting the underside. As long as we stay above it, this seems to go higher. Anyone looking to get short, I would follow the market structure on this Monday's high, just the bodies with this, and you can see acting as great support here at the moment. So if you're looking to get short, I'm not looking to play anything in dollar yen, but break down below Monday's high, we'll probably attack these lows. We're breaking below higher time frame levels, we're breaking below Monday's levels, as it's acting as support at the moment. Support turns to resistance. So that's basically it. Not overly keen on trading this week with everything that's going on. Price action's a little bit all over the place, but nice to map out things and keep an eye on it. Dollar Swiss is the only sort of thing that I'm keen on trading, and I say if we break down below this, then I'm out of that trade. So wishing you best of luck for the rest of the day and the rest of the week. Any questions, let me know. We'll be putting up videos later on today on the website. So I've been putting up results from the last few weeks, and I'm going to put videos of why I've took those trades without giving too much of the strategies away. So if you want to check them out, you can check them out. They'll be up later on at some stage. So yeah, that's it. Wish you the best of luck. If you want me to look at anything, let me know, and I'll see you tomorrow.